What's up, guys? This is Skinny. It is February 28th. Happy month end. Hope you guys had an amazing February. Today, I just want to give you a quick tip when we're talking about doing vehicle walkarounds, and it's in regards to our language. We use some pretty foul language when we're doing videos. Let me give you an example. When you start doing videos and you start saying things like sale, blowout, clearance, just reduced, all these things are foul language. But let me explain what I mean. So let's say you're doing a walk around on the brand new Traverse that just came out. You want to show off all the amazing features and give everybody a tour of the vehicle. I think the worst thing you can do in that video is start talking about price or monthly promotions. Why? Because obviously the next month that is completely irrelevant, and anybody who's searching for this vehicle and stumbles across that video then sees a very stale and dated video. Whereas if you don't mention any promotions or pricing, that video is completely relevant all year round. So there's no point in doing a walk around video for it to be only good for 30 days if you can do one that's gonna be good for the whole year. Also, I think just as salespeople, we use way too many cheesy lines. People who are looking at these videos are top level researchers. They're looking for information on the vehicle before they decided what car to buy. They're not there to hear cheesy sales lines. They're not there to see monthly promotions. That's why they go to the manufacturer's website when they're getting closer to making a decision to find out what promotions are going on. The people you want to target with your videos are top funnel researchers, people that are looking for videos on what the vehicle is about. That's when you become the person that they want to talk to because you were there at the research stage, and you might as well take them all the way through the sale. So just remember that. People go to walk around videos to get information on a car, not to hear about specials. I think that's gonna be really valuable information for you guys. I think that will extend the longevity of the walk around videos you're doing and ultimately set you up for better success in the future. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that really quick tip. Get out in front of the camera. April's the new month. You have no excuse. The weather's getting nice. Just go out there, hit record, have fun, and start creating content. So guys, hit record, have some fun, go create some content. Thanks for watching.